All right, these are the brave souls, and we're going to test out the blackout haunt walkthrough. All righty, haunt, nighty-night. And we're going to turn out this light, too. All righty, so I have a black light flashlight. You can see.
I'm going to stay in the middle if y'all don't mind.
That one. Ooh, yeah. So we should probably go through, like, conga line for safety. The bathroom light's on, unfortunately, but oh well.
I guess we got.
Yeah, well, I mean, we got the bathroom light on and the neighbor's light on, but you know, these things can happen during blackout night. Not sure exactly what. Woo! Okay, we can kind of see where we're going a little bit.
This wind isn't helping much.
This wind sucks. I have to repair so much. This freaking top thing is that one, the one at the house.
I'm grabbing the bottom of your coat.
Okay, so you don't have the bottom of my coat.
Why am I afraid I built this? I know what's in here.
That's why you're afraid.
Make sure to pick up your
Ew, he glows, gross. Any other damage in here?
Oh,
No.
look, it glows.
What, this?
Like, shine your light away from it.
Yes, it does.
It glows.
There are things here that are, you know, black light receptive, glow in the dark. Not her. Maybe her eyes.
Cool.
Okay. Ghosty. So this is what they can experience. However, we're going to have a sheet from here to here, so this should be somewhat blocked off from the light.
Now here comes the worst.
Sorry.
I almost tripped.
Oh no.
Okay. If I can open this up. Get off.
Chicken out.
Off my pants. There we go. Ooh, look at all the white rats are glowing. Oh, and by the way, don't forget, we are safe yet on blackout night. The actors will be in here.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
I was gonna say don't put it however.
No. What I mean is people going through.
The actual haunt night is a no-no. I don't like the pile of things on the floor.
We can definitely see. Well, I'm gonna move those.
We're safe for the we're safe.
Use eyeballs.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
We're
Ooh, that's nice. These all glow. People feel
thankfully,
safe
we're
with
safe
glowing
because
things.
There's nobody in here.
That's right. But for the people going through the haunted house, there will be actors in here.
They're not going to be so lucky.
Ooh, look at this shit. I'm sorry. I was excited about seeing the yellow golden chain, glowing chain.
Wait, but
This is severely a
Ooh.
oh, I see.
I guess I should show it on the camera. There we
Probably.
go. Oh, no way.
You should probably show it on camera.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Look at him, he glows.
Ooh, I hope some stuff in here glows. I mean, it's like, oh, neato. Ew, thanks, neighbors.
Oh, ew. We could just paste a moon right there.
Oh, wow.
Or maybe I'll cover that up some more. I don't know, because I don't want their thing. Oh, it'll be so effective because they'll be like looking around in here, and if you have a thing on here going like, I think that'll be
Because they'll like
super
look
good.
close to see what's in there.
Yes.
Oh, this is the part that I'm usually on.
Ew, it's in my ear.
Are we going to be covering up those like LED light stuff?
Which LED lights? Oh, we can try to. That's one thing about having the cheaper ones. See, this is nice. They'd be like, oh, this one's well lit, you know, because we can see the glowies. Yeah, definitely have to fix this one. The whole thing like ripped off. But look, see, you can see right there, rip. Yeah, it really ripped it off there, but that's okay. I just get on the ladder and staple it back up. Ooh, gross glowing dog. Now, how's the view for the person in the back?
How does it look?
Like how for you?
The black light, how does it look?
Oh, I forgot to do the raccoon. Like
Like,
you know,
are you able to
does it
see?
help your vision any?
Yeah, it helps out.
Oh man,
Oh, the sticky hands glow.
that's okay. There's gonna be clothes in here. Don't forget, it's still the
I'm
closet.
fine because we have a light actually, so it's not that bad.
Oh, that was scary. But look, that gets you. That's the first thing that hits you, and that's what we wanted. We wanted that
I
mirror
don't like looking down there though.
to get people.
I'm not gonna look down. I don't want to
Like,
look down there.
what the fart is this? This
I don't like looking down there.
is my worst nightmare.
I don't like looking down there.
It actually looks like it never ends.
It does. If you put your flashlight down, it looks like it never ends. I don't like it.
Well, also we still have the curtain up to still give a little bit of drying ability, but it will be kind of fun if you have the black light in here because this is where all of the paintings that I painted with the black light.
Oh no, I can't look back there.
And you can only see them with the black light, which is why I put the black lights in this room.
Also,
And then she's creepy, and there's a ladder in her way. This one hasn't been done yet.
Is I know that curtain is up, so like it doesn't block anything from the hallway.
Yeah.
The hallway isn't blocked, so it makes it worse.
Ooh.
Oh, saving me. My back hurts.
Salvation.
I'm so
Where's
scared
that?
of hot at night.
Sign. So it doesn't look like the exit sign glows. No, it does not glow. So maybe I can find one that glows.
You could also paint it though. I could paint that.
Success! You have
Yay!
survived.
Wait, I do something to do though.
Okay, so one more test of the black light flashlight. Now I'm going to stand where an actor would stand, and I want to see what it looks like from their perspective, like how well can they be seen. All right, so pause for me.
So are we gonna like give them black lights to look around?
Okay.
That'd
Are
be
you ready?
kinda cool if
Oh, go ahead.
That's terrifying.
I can definitely see them.
And I'm not going any further. Nope, can't do that.
Sorry.
No, it's too dark.
So are we just
I can't
gonna like,
resist.
keep this dark and give them black lights to like?
Yes.
Oh, no, sorry, I can't.
Yeah, but only for the brave souls brave enough to traverse the haunted house with full sound and actors in the dark. And if you do that and fool around, people go like,
Who did that?
yeah, mom.